it's messy and I need to clean it, okay? Now, a few things. This is what I want to talk about today is how I increase my revenue month after month. I actually was just on the phone this morning with the amazing Myron Golden, and he was like, Kathryn, like, how's coronavirus been for you? Like, how has, with all the changes and everything, like, how's that been for you? And I said, honestly, we've been able to kill it. And he said, me too, sister. I was like, awesome. And so I think there's a big question of, like, how are you, even in circumstances that are unpredictable and uncertain and that people have not been in before, how are you able to continually increase your revenue month after month after month? So I want to walk you through 4 different things. Okay, the first thing actually came from speaking to Myron, Mr. Myron Golden, and he and I were doing an event, a virtual event together a few months ago. And he asked me this, he was like, Kathryn, he's like, have you ever made $100,000 before in like one sitting? And I said, yeah, I actually have. And he's like, how did that work? And I was like, well, through joint ventures, we do it quite often. He's like, that's amazing. He's like, have you ever made $100,000 from a single person at one time? And I was like, no. And he's like, do you want to know the reason why you haven't made $100,000 from a single person at one time? I said, yeah, I want to know the reason why. And he said, because you haven't asked. And I was like, I'm sorry, what? And he's like, if you start asking people for money, they will give you money. If you start asking, and he's like, people can't pay you more if you don't give them an opportunity to pay you more. And I was like, so you want to know what I did right after that? I made a $100,000 offer. Have I sold it? Yes, I have. Okay, next thing. This is what we did. We doubled down on what was actually working. So, if you want to increase your revenue month after month after month, you need to actually look at where your money is coming from. So often, I think, especially in the internet marketing world, it can be really fun to get excited and do new things. And like, I am such an emotional decision maker. I'm like, if it sounds cool, let's do it. Like, yes, right? But you've got to be a little bit strategic and think, okay, like, where is my money actually coming from? If most of your money is coming from cold ads, then double down on your cold ads. If most of your money is coming from organic, then double down on organic. If most of your money is coming from joint ventures, then double down on joint ventures. If you don't know where most of your money is coming from, that's the first step for you, okay? Now, the next way is to burn the boat, okay? I love this concept where if you want to figure out a way to make money, burn the boat so you don't have other streams of income coming in. Now, I'm not saying that's the right choice for everybody. I think you should be really prayerful about that before you go in on that. But there was something really magical that happened in my life when I went full-fledged 100% in, where it was like, listen, I quit my other job. I don't have any other source of income, so I better make money or else we're going to have a hard time eating. Things happen when that happens. Again, be prayerful about if that's the right choice for you, but that's one way to make it happen. And then finally, if you want to increase your revenue month after month after month, one of the easiest ways to do this is to remove yourself from the situation, okay? You're always going to hit a cap on what you're doing. It's one of the biggest reasons why we're developing an app, which is really cool. If you haven't heard about it yet, designhacking.com/workshop, you'll learn more. And simply because it allows you to replicate yourself in a way that still gives people results, still allows you to serve them, but gives you the freedom to work on some other things. So, if you're looking, okay, we made some progress right there, right? If you're looking to increase your revenue month after month after month, make better offers, make more offers, double down on what's actually working, burn the boat if that's the right choice for you, and remove yourself from the situation. If you want to learn more about how to do this, come to my free 5-day workshop, designhacking.com/workshop.